Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVST. Today in this video, I am going to discuss some programs in C for implementing arrays. In this video, I am going to discuss about two programs, that is to find the largest and smallest numbers from array elements, and the second program is to sort array elements in ascending or descending order. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to find the largest and smallest numbers from array elements. Now we will solve this program, that is to find big and small elements from array. At first we have to write hash include stdio.h, that is the standard input output header file, then int main, that is a main function. Now in this main function, we have to declare an integer array. I have declared here an integer array, that is a element could be taken here 50, and other variables like size, I, big and small I have taken here. Now enter the size of the array. This message is passed through the printf function, and for taking the size from the user, I have pass the argument through the scanf function. Now another message is passed here, that is enter the elements of the array by the size, and it is passed through the function, that is printf. Now for I equal to 0, I less than size, then I plus plus, that is I will be go from 0 to size and incremented by 1 the value of I. Now element of the array A will be taken through the scanf function within this for loop. Now big equal to A0, this is initialized here. Now for I equal to 1, I less than size, I plus plus, that is again within this for loop I will be go from 1 to the size by incrementing 1. Now if big less than ai, that is the element I of the array A, then big equal to ai, update the value of the big, then it will be printed like that the largest element is the big, the value of the big variable will be displayed here. Now to find the small element, again we have to initialize the small element, small equal to a0. Then for I equal to 1, I less than size, I plus plus. If small greater than ai, then small equal to ai, update the value of the small variable. Then the message the smallest element is small will be printed through the printf function, and at last the return 0. So here's our program to find the big and small element from the array. Now I am compiling this program. Now executing this program. So here's the first message, that enter the size of the array. I am giving the size of this array 5. Now the message is given here, the enter the 5 elements of the array. I am giving the elements like -6, 56, 32, 0, 100. So here's the output. The largest element is 100 and the smallest element is -6. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to sort array elements in ascending or descending order. Now to solve the program, that is C program to sort an array in ascending or descending order, here's our program. That is, first we have to write hash include stdio.h, that is the standard input output header file. Next the int main, that is the main function. Within this main function we have to declare the integer variables like I, j, n, temporary variable that is temp, q, p, temp1, and an integer array a of element 100. Now the message will be passed through the printf function like enter the size of array, and the element should be taken through the variable n by the scanf function. Next, another message will be given like that enter the element through the printf function. Now for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I will be go from 0 to n and will take the value of the array by ai through the scanf function. Now loop for sorting the array in ascending order will be here, that is for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Within this again a for loop, that is for j equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Within this a for loop will be here and a if function. Within this if condition, the condition is ai greater than aj. If ai, the element ai greater than aj, then temp equal to ai, ai equal to aj, the element of ai equal to aj, and aj equal to temp. After that, the message ascending order of an array will be passed through the printf function, and through this for loop I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, the array element of ai should be printed through the printf function. Now to get the descending order array, we have to again run the for loop, that is p equal to 0, p less than n, p plus plus. Within this another for loop will be here, that is q equal to p plus 1, q less than n, q plus plus. Within this the condition will be here like if ap, the element of ap less than aq, then temp1 equal to ap, ap equal to aq, and aq equal to temp1. After that the message descending order of an array will be printed through the printf function, and then through the for loop p equal to 0, p less than n, p plus plus, the element of array a, ap will be printed through the printf function, and at last the return 0. So this is our program to sort the array, element of array in ascending and descending order. Both are given here. So to compile this program, I am compiling this program. Now execute this. So our first message is given here, that is enter the size of array. I am giving the size 5. Enter the elements. The elements I am giving 100, minus 23, 89, 45, 209. So here's our 5 elements. Now the output is here, that is ascending order of an array is minus 23, 45, 89, 100, 209, and descending order of an array 209, 100, 89, 45, and minus 23. Hope through this video I have made you understand the programs on implementation of array. To get more updates on array programs, keep watching my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.